is up, guys? It is day 97. Oh my gosh. It's almost been 100 days of my weight loss challenge. Trying to change my weight. But not just a change in weight, but a change in lifestyle to incorporate weight loss, healthy eating, getting stronger, connecting to God more, committing less sins, eating in a deficit, and being happier in general. I'm not gonna lie, today is probably one of the worst days, unironically, for weighing in I've had in a while. Yeah, within the last month, honestly. So I weighed in at 206.8. So from 204.5, that is a 2-pound increase. Now, obviously, based on what I ate, that is definitely not really possible. I think it's still like a over 1 pound increase, though, I will be honest, because yesterday, I'm gonna just start with what I ate. So in the morning, I ate eggs, and I ate, what else did I eat? I ate eggs with toast. It was I'm pretty sure it was 3 or 4 eggs with 2 pieces of toast. And I drank Telba, so it's milk with flaxseed. Today, I'm definitely not doing that. I'm gonna stick to my water and to my 10-calorie juice, 100%. After that, I had lunch. Now, at first, my friend, right? I usually eat with my friend on Monday and Wednesdays, but this Monday, usually he texts me, but he didn't say anything. So I was like, oh, was today the day he has a chem lab? Or I was like, okay, I'm gonna just, eat my fruit. And I was low-key thinking of going home, honestly, because I canceled my work and I have 6+ hours. I was like, there's no way I'm spending over 6 hours in my dorm room studying. So I'm gonna just go home, study, whatever. And so I go home to study, or I don't even go home. I was about to. I had gotten meal plan, right? I had bought fruit and a can of juice. I was gonna go to the library to study, and then as I'm coming out, I see my friend standing. I'm like, what? And he's standing that's where he usually stands when he's waiting for me. And I checked I didn't even check my phone. I just put the fruit and the soda in my pocket, and I go up to him as if I hadn't already been here and been like, yo, what's up, bro? And then we eat. Now, we eat the Panda place, which is our Asian place. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of like Panda Express. Now, I eat sesame chicken with the noodle, fried noodle, or I don't know if it's fried. I think it's fried, definitely, noodle. And I even asked, I was like, okay, I want to try something else, right? So let me get half noodle, half beef chicken. And then she puts the same amount I'd usually get for the sesame chicken and the bean. And she's like, oh, it's extra. I mean, what was I thinking? Of course, it's going to be more because she's saying it's going to be extra. So she puts more, and, I don't get the sauce. I get the vegetable, even though the vegetable is drenched in oil anyhow. And I eat it, and it's I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot, bro. I'm gonna be honest. If that was a protein day, if I was doing bench that day or something, bro. But so I ate that, and I drank the soda, 10-calorie soda. It's not no real soda, even though I should be drinking. You know what I've realized? I've realized I need to be drinking. I can't substitute these juices for water. It's good to have it. Say I don't want to eat dinner, or I already ate 2 meals today, so I want to eat fruit and a drink. Having the 10-calorie drink is fine to make it almost seem like a whole other meal, But, at a point, I can't be saying, oh, okay, well, I just ate breakfast, but let me just drink this juice. No, it has to be water until then. We can save it, but yeah. So I this green light Yup, this green light is so fast for no reason. So, anyways, that's if I had just eaten that, it wouldn't have been too bad. I would probably still be like I'd probably be like 204.4 or 204.3. So like a 0.2 decrease. But that's not where it happens. Then, after studying, oh my gosh, how long was I studying with my friend? I swear, well, from 1 something until like 2:30, I had a meeting. And then 2 to 3, I was just yapping. And then 3 to 4, and 4 to 5, and 5 to 6. So for like 3+ hours, I was just studying like math. It was just math. I wasn't doing anything else. I was looking at the practice exam. I was looking at the past exams. I was looking at the notes and just studying for my exam on Wednesday. And then it was near the end. I go in the bathroom and I look at myself and I realized, holy moly, I am chopped. No, not in that way. My hair is messy. Like, I didn't do my hair on the weekend. 1, because I needed to study, but 2, because I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do my hair right before my interview on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, sorry. So Thursday I'll come home, do my interview. Like that was the plan. Stay in the dorm Monday through Wednesday, Thursday morning, and then we come back in the afternoon of Thursday, and then my mom will do my hair. But I realized, oh my gosh, my hair looks a mess. My beard looks a mess. Like it is not good, bro. It is not good. I don't know how else to say. Like my hair is very messy. Like having a frivolly hair isn't the worst, but like at a certain point, it just like it gets to a point, bro. I don't know how else to say it, bro. And my beard, I need to line it up because it looks terrible. Like at the very least, if my beard looked good, that's one thing. So even now, my mom, she did like 4 braids just to hold it, and it looks kind of terrible right now, which is why I have a hoodie on until I can do it this morning, because I wasn't even able to do it yesterday. And yesterday I ate 2 burritos. So that's why I am significantly overweight today. I'll talk to y'all more after the workout. What is up, guys? So I just finished my workout. I did about 800 calories on the bike, 453 or 455. It'll be on screen on the Stairmaster. Also, do not mind my hair. This is probably going to be like the worst. But when I had like uneven braids, this just looks so much worse. Oh my gosh. Because my mom, because she just wanted to do it quickly before I went to sleep. She didn't really care if it was in the middle, so she just parted it here. So, yeah. But either way, I finished the workout. It was pretty good. I wore my sweatshirt and my hat, the hoodie. Honestly, I mean, it didn't feel that crazy, but it just, I don't know how people wear a sweatshirt while working out, I'm gonna be honest. Like, the only thing it'll do is you'll lose weight in water weight. I mean, I don't necessarily think it'll contribute. I mean, I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong, but I'm pretty sure all it does is it just increases the amount of heat that you have. So, hold on, let me go a little fast. All it does is increase the amount of heat that you're doing while working out, which makes you sweat more, but that's just more water weight getting off of you. So if you're trying to quickly lose weight as far as metrics and not necessarily fat loss, then I guess wearing a sweatshirt is fine. But I don't understand, besides that, I don't know, does it actually it's not this sweatshirt isn't heavy or anything, so it's not making me heavier, thus burning more calories. So I don't know why anyone would do that, I'm gonna be honest. Now, I do understand, before, especially back when I was, holy moly, when I was like, or I'm big. I'm still big, mind you, but back when I was like uncontrolled, like I was like 225 something, bro. Oh my gosh, I swear to you, I would wear a sweatshirt every single day, bro. Like I would wear a sweatshirt so much. And then there was a period where I just like wouldn't wear like any type of jacket. I don't know, I guess I was trying to be different for a while. I feel like everybody went, especially if you're a guy, at one point, whether you were a child or not, you were trying to farm aura by just like not having a jacket on. I know that sounds dumb, but I feel like a couple people understand it, It's like in elementary, it's like, oh, you don't have your jacket on even though it's like freezing? Oh, you're so cool. Or so, I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, so I did 800. I was gonna do just 700. I finished 700 by 8, but then I was like, you know what? I have time. Plus my first class is psychology, so a 200 level psych class, so I don't think it's gonna be that crazy, so yeah. But yeah, so now I just have to go home. I'm gonna eat eggs and shower and do my hair and then go to school. Yeah. I will say I am very disappointed that, I'm 206. We could get back to normal, but I feel like I've been lazy. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's the same thing that happens every single time I start to lose a major amount of weight. Instead of going harder, I get lazy. And I will say, like, 2 something weeks ago, I was doing good. But, like, now I'm just lazy, bro. I'm getting lazy. I'm doing the same workouts. I'm doing the same stuff. But I'm getting lazy with food, Like, did I have to eat 3 meals yesterday? No. But the thing is, the good part about it is that, okay, you guys can't see me, but the good part is that before we would worry about eating sweets when I got home. That was the worry. This Monday I ate bar or I ate whatever. But the fact that I'm complaining about like just eating a meal, like obviously like for me and my diet and my weight right now, I can't be eating 3 meals because with the amount of calories I'm taking in and burning, I just gain weight, For at least for now until I get in a healthy weight, like my plan is like once I get out a really healthy weight, I don't mind like maybe like one day I'll eat 3 days and the next day I'll eat only 2, and you know what I'm saying? Although in the summertime I'm not eating 3 days because I'm not going out with friends anymore, right? So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I just need to lock in, and one thing I've been thinking about is that all these juices, like the 10-calorie juice that I've been eating, like honestly, I need to start being wary. Because like, for example, say it's like after the gym, or not after gym, after class, and I already ate lunch. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna just eat fruit with the 10-calorie soda or 10-calorie juice. It's fine. But maybe instead it's but if I say soda, like say after, I don't know, right before my class I get soda, no, that's not good. And mind you, when I say soda, I mean like the 10-calorie soda, like the low calorie. I'm not talking about no 100 calorie, you know? And maybe even then I shouldn't be drinking the soda. Instead, I should be drinking regular juice, because juice is, because the other juices, even though it's the same calorie, it tastes healthier and it tastes less sweet. Because honestly, my mom is right. Because I brought the juice home and she tried some and she's like, this is too sweet, you know? Like, it's cherry like flavor, you know? I don't know. Like, you know what I need to do? I need to taste the juice that actually tastes like juice. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Even if it's like, say, a little bit more expensive. I don't know. I'll see. Anyways, I'll see y'all. I don't know. Can y'all see me the whole time? But yeah, don't worry, guys. I'll lock in, not just for you guys, not just for God, but for myself too.